Hey friends, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we're going to draw a cute girl in anime style, so let's get started. First, we're going to start from the eyes. So let's make a little eye from over here. And now we're going to make the lashes. Now the little eyeball thingy. That looks really good. Okay, now we're going to draw our second eye, which is right over here. Okay, wait, I forgot to draw the little lashes down the eye. So, okay, now I'm going to draw the inside part. And there we go. They look kind of cute, honestly. Okay, now we're going to draw the nose. So I'm going to draw it like that, like 3 dots. As you can connect these. This. Okay. Now it's time to draw the mouth. Okay, we're going to draw it something like that. Okay, now it's time to draw the face, like the outline of the face. So just copy me and you'll make as good drawing as you can. Okay, now we're going to draw the little bangs for the hair. So okay, now let's draw the outline for the hair. Now we're going to draw a little bunny hat. So first we're going to draw the base. Now we're going to draw the little ears. With little pom-poms on them. And now it's time to draw the second one. Super kawaii. Gives me kind of Barbie vibes, honestly. Okay, so now we're going to draw the eyes. And the whiskers. Kind of looks like Hello Kitty. Just missing the bow. Okay. Now we can continue with the body. We can draw the neck. So we're going to draw a line from here. And a line from there. Connect these lines together. And now continue with the shirt. trying to draw the little designs on the shirt. So this area has like net designs, like net. Okay, now we can continue with the shirt. That's the other arm, and now we can make a cute design on it. And these are also little pom-poms dangling off one side. Okay, that's the end of my drawing. I hope you loved it, and if you did, please hit a like and press the subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching!